Balochistan is a province of Pakistan with least population, about 5 to 6% of total population of country. But in area its share is of about 44% of Pakistan. Some large districts of Balochistan, Khuzdar is also one of them, consisting an area of 38,000 square kilometers. In district Khuzdar there are many areas where wheel has not reached yet, where main source of people livelihood is livestock and traditional method of agriculture. Even today, they plough their lands with the help of animals like oxes, camels, and donkeys. When their wheat crops get ripe, then they grind it with centuries old traditional mills, which called Asiaf in Brahui language. This mill, powered by fast flowing water from the nearby river, which turns the grind stone to grind wheat. 8. Nule Pashthan Khuzdar. Even today, these traditional grind mills exist. Villagers grind their wheat grains by running these water run mills. According to them, the flour from Asiaf is of better quality and taste than mass produced flour. Owners don't charge money for grinding, rather, take a share from the grinded flour.